In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks in Asana. We'll start right from the home page because that's where you get a quick snapshot of your workspace and what needs attention. Open Asana and head to Home. It's the best launchpad for getting oriented before you triage. From here, look to the left sidebar and click My Tasks. This view is your personal command center. It automatically gathers every task assigned to you from all projects, so you can plan your day without bouncing around. At the top of My Tasks, you'll see Recently Assigned. Think of this as your inbox for new work. Make it a habit to scan this section first. One by one, review each task's title and any key details, then decide where it belongs. The goal is simple. Clear recently assigned so nothing lingers unreviewed. You're not doing the work yet. You're just sorting it so your priorities are obvious. Next, move items that genuinely need your attention into Do Today. These are the tasks you intend to complete or make meaningful progress on before the day ends. Be realistic. It's tempting to overfill this list. Drag only what you can truly handle, then reorder the list top to bottom by importance. If two items compete, ask which one unblocks others or has the closest deadline, and place that higher. For tasks that matter but don't need an action today, place them in due next week. This keeps your focus clear while still protecting time for upcoming commitments. As you sort, aim to balance the week. Cluster related work together and leave breathing room for unexpected requests. If a due date already exists, make sure the timing lines up with your plan for next week. Everything else goes to do later. These are lower priority items, nice to haves, or tasks waiting on input. Moving them here doesn't mean you'll forget them. It just means they won't distract you today. Make it a practice to review due later during weekly planning so you can promote items as priorities shift. Once you've triaged, your My Tasks view becomes a clear roadmap. Today shows exactly what to tackle. Next week holds the near-term pipeline, and later is your safe parking lot. Start each morning at home, jump into My Tasks, clear recently assigned, and you'll stay on top of new work without losing sight of what matters most. Stick with this routine, and Asana will feel lighter, faster, and far more manageable every single day.